Japanese
Yabaniya.
language. Okay, di ba Yaban is Japan? And when we say
Naam.
Yabaniya, it is so-called Japanese. At ang sabi
Mhm.
niya, wahiya lugatun sa'batun. Alam niyo ba kung anong ibig sabihin ng sa'batun?
Difficult.
Difficult. Sa'batun is difficult. Nawala na gud si Sir Dennis. Tsaka yung isa pang lalaki no, yung natitira na lang na lalaki natin si Sir Axel tsaka si Sir Sania Khan. Okay. Sige. Can I call on as we talk about the two, Sir Axel and Sania Khan? Can you two read it as conversing? Continue on reading what Ma'am Amira and Ma'am Annie just read. Sige, Sir Sania. Sania, can you please turn on your mic so you'll be able to read the following words? I
Okay.
mean sentences.
I start from Muhammad.
Naam.
Naam.
Wait. A moment. Ma'am Sania, no? Sania, your true name is, your real name is
I'm Sania.
Sania.
Sani.
I thought you are you are male before. Sometimes your this name participated as male. Is that you?
No, this is
All right.
this
Okay, never mind.
participant.
Okay, let us continue. Sige, si Ma'am Sania and Sir Axel, you'll be continuing the conversation. So we will start here. Hamid, this will be Sania. And Muhammad, this will be Sir Axel. Ready? So, lights, camera, action. Go. It starts with Aina Abuka. Go, Ma'am Sania.
Aina abuka ya Muhammad.
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 Okay, Sir Axel, Sir Muhammad.
أبي
Abi,
أبي في
Phil,
آه،
Phil.
أبي في
Sige.
كويتي
نعم.
هو طبيب شاه شاهر
Very good. Sige. Continue, Ma'am Sania.
Wa aina ummuka.
MashaAllah. Okay, Sir Axel. Eh,
هي
أيضا.
هي أي هي أيضا في الكويت مع أبي
Mhm.
هي مدرسة
Mhm. مدرسة.
مدرسة
Who? It is who?
هناك
Very good. MashaAllah. Tabarakallah. Okay, continue. Just wait for a moment. Continue here. Wait lang, Ma'am Sania, ha? Give me a moment. Let me delete the drawing here. Okay. Okay. Hamidon again. Adhabta. Go.
Adhabta ilal Kuwaiti ya Muhammad.
MashaAllah.
نعم
Muhammad?
نعم
Mhm.
ذهبت
Very good.
Waza
Zami,
wazamiluka ainun
Aina,
aina abu
Ho.
bu
Okay, again, please read it again. Wazamiluka, go.
Wazamiluka aina abuk.
Abuhu. Very good.
Abu.
Okay, go, Muhammad.
أبوه في اليابان هو يتجر
Ta.
هو تاجر
Tajirun.
خبير
Naam.
تاجر
Okay, huwa
خبير
tajirun kabirun. Okay, next, Ma'am Sania. Wait, let me delete it first. So, okay. Alaka, go.
Alaka ukhun
Akhun.
ya akhun
Mm-hmm.
ya Muhammad.
There you go. Oh,
نعم
Muhammad.
نعم لي لي لأجو
Akhun.
لأخ واحد
Wahid.
وحيد
Mm-hmm.
Wahido.
Sige, continue.
اسمه اسمه
Usa.
أسامة
Yes. Sunod.
و-
Wahwa.
وهو معي
Mm-hmm. Naam. Ma'i. With me.
معي هنا في
Fil
المدينة
madinati. Okay, next. Mataas, mahaba yung yung reading ni Sir Axel. Go, Sir Axel.
أمو
Almu.
المناورة
Yes. Wali.
ولي
Ukh.
أخت
Mm-hmm.
وحادتي
Wahi.
وحيدة
Mm-hmm.
اسمها
Ito. Zainab.
اسمها زينب
Yes.
وهي في
Ai.
في
Rocky.
العراق مع
Okay. Meron pa last.
زو زوجيها
Mm-hmm.
زوجها
Oh, engineer. Ano yung engineer?
محد
Muhan.
محد محد
Muhan.
محد محدث
Muhandi.
مهندس
Okay, muhandisun. Okay, let us see kung meron pa. Ayan, meron pa pero iba na yung magbabasa. Okay, congratulations Ma'am Sania and also Sir Axel. You did a great job just like Ma'am Amira and Ma'am Annie. Okay, you're proving that you're good at reading already. Not so fast but so sure. Alhamdulillah. Now, can I call on? Okay, tingnan natin sinong susunod Ma'am Emeline Makaligis, pwede bang marinig? Ikaw lahat dito sa part na ito.
Okay po.
Sige, go, Ma'am
Saan dito,
Emily.
ma'am? Dito start sa Hamad?
Dito. Oh, yes, Hamid.
Hamad. Okay.
Mhm.
Wait.
Wait lang ha, burahin natin para hindi matabunan. Ayan. Kain.
Ain, aindaka,
Mhm.
aindaka, si
Sasakyan.
sayaratu,
Oh my brother. How do you say oh my brother in Arabic? Ya,
yaku,
ya a.
yaaki,
Okay. Sunod.
la, ma, ma, maandi,
Hmm.
maandi, sayaratun, ah, a- andi, andi, andi,
Sige, tama.
dar, darajitu,
Dara. Double R, double R.
darajitun,
Hmm.
darajitun,
Continue.
Muhammad,
Ha. It's ham,
Ham,
hamzatu.
Hamzatu,
Mhm.
Hamzatu, Aidan,
Indahu.
Aindahu, Sayaratu.
Okay. Very good. So, Ma'am Emeline, mag-continue lang tayo ng konti ha para malaman ko talaga ano yung score mo sa reading natin ha. Wait lang.
Okay po.
Burahin lang natin. Mag-continue lang tayo dito lang sa questions. Okay. Mga 1, 2, 3 hanggang 5 lang. Okay, let me hear you reading. Go, Ma'am Emeline.
From number 1 po, ma'am.
Opo.
Maismi,
Maismo.
maismo ka,
Number 2.
maismo ka. Min aina,
Ay, min, yes,
min,
yes, min.
min aina, anta.
Okay, number 3.
Malu, malugat ka, malugatu ka.
Okay. Yes. Sunod.
Aina, abu ka. Aina abu ka.
Yes. Magaling. Next.
Aina ammu ka.
Oo.
Aina ummu ka.
There you go. So I can say that you already know how to write or how to read the connected letters. Congratulations also, Ma'am Emeline. Ma'am Emeline, malayo na rin yung improvement natin, no? Before talaga, medyo hirap na hirap tayong magbasa. Ngayon, Alhamdulillah, I'm so proud of you. Congratulations.
Thank you po.
Okay. Sige, sino pang hindi nakakabasa? Si Ma'am Carmelita, tsaka si Ma'am Vanessa, yung pangmatagalan ha, tsaka si Ma'am Anna Rose. Sige, pakinggan natin si Ma'am Carmelita na magbabasa mula 6 hanggang 15. Ma'am Carmelita, you will be reading from number 6 to 15. Go.
Sana ba?
Alam niyo ba kung nasaan dyan yung number 6?
Opo.
Okay, very good. Let me see kung alam.
Alikahon.
Alaka? Wait lang ha, lagyan natin ng vowels para
Alakajun.
alaka ahon?
Ahon o Akhun.
Akhun.
Alaka akhun.
Mhm.
Alaka ajatu. Ajatu.
Alaka.
Alaka
Ayan.
Ojtun.
Okay,
Alaka
nami-misread niyo po
ojtun.
yung kha tsaka yung jim. Medyo problematic tayo dito sa kha. Ha? Kanina pa ito nami-misread.
Okton.
Okay. Kha is ganyan. And jim
Okti,
is the
madam.
git.
Okton.
Okay?
Alaka oktun.
Mm.
Aindaka sayaratu.
Very good.
Aindaka darajatu.
Tun. Kapag walang alif and lam, diretsuhin mong tun.
Darajatun.
Mhm.
Aindaraka kalamun. Indaka kalam.
There you go. Very good. Next, 11.
Indaka dafta. Daftarun.
Opo. Sige.
Indaka daftarun. Abroka. Abuka yajira. Tajirun. Abuka
Okay.
tajirun.
Abuka tajirun.
Abuka tajirun.
Sige. Number 13.
Man aina. Min aina Muhammadun malagutatun. Lugato.
Ho.
Malugato ho. Ano po yun?
Oh.
Malugato ho. Ano?
Okay. Malugato ho. Sunod, number 15, last word.
Number 15. Aina abuho.
Very good. Same goes with Ma'am Carmelita. Since week 5, si Ma'am Carmelita, magaling na din talaga siyang magbasa, alhamdulillah. Pero sa ngayon, medyo nalilito ng konti si Ma'am sa mga letters, no? Pero bakit parang nawala? Nawala ba tayo? Nawala po ba sa inyo?
Nawala.
Nawala po.
Ala, wait lang.
Pumunta sa Google ba yan?
Okay, ayan. Kita niyo na ulit?
Naam.
Opo. Naam.
Okay, very good. So, Ma'am Nadia, kakarating lang ni Ma'am Nadia. Hello po, Ma'am Nadia.
Hello po.
How are you? كيف حالك? لما تتأخرين?
Good po, alhamdulillah. Nasa meeting po, yes po.
Okay, so you'll be reading also, ha? We are now doing a reading test.
Ano po ito? Ayoko ng pera. Resibo ang sa akin.
Oh, sige po. Sana all may pera. Okay, Ma'am Vanessa, continue ka sa number 16 hanggang number 22 sa pinakamabilis na pagbabasa na kaya mong basahin. Okay, go Ma'am Vanessa. Ma'am Ana Rose, sunod ka na ha kung kaya mong mag-voice interact.
Ma'am, bawel.
Okay, ay walang vowel. Lagyan natin ng vowel, no? So,
Number 16.
number 16 na tayo. Where is it? Ito. Ummuhu. Ayan. Nasaan pa? Ito. Lagyan lang natin yung mga kailangan talaga. Ito. Ay. Sige, simulan mo na, Ma'am Vanessa.
Aina umuho. Umuho.
Mhm.
17. Man aina.
Min. Meron ano na ha?
Min aina hamzatu.
Mm.
Then ma lugatuho.
Yes, very good.
Aina abuho.
Hmm. Tama.
Aina day ano yan? Dainatu.
Zay.
Aina zainatu.
Zainatu?
Ay, Zainabu pala. Aina
Okay.
Zainabu. Aina zaw zawujuha. Zawujuha. Then azawujuha. Azawujuha.
Okay.
Azawujuha. Mudarrisun.
Wait lang, Vanessa,
Tama po.
ha? Okay, paulit po, Ma'am Vanessa, sa number 22.
Azawujuha mudarrisun.
There you go. Very good. Alhamdulillah. So, since day one also, Ma'am Vanessa is doing a great job sa reading and writing natin ng mga activities. MashaAllah, alhamdulillah. Jazakillahu khair. Now, can I call Ma'am Anna Rose? Ma'am Anna Rose, can you do the reading activity? Sige. Dahil sa medyo mahirap itong dito sa test number 2, dito ka pa rin. Balik tayo sa test 1. Okay, you'll be reading from 1 to 10. Can you do it? Ma'am Anna Rose? Ma'am Anna Rose?
Yes,
Oh, sige.
ma'am.
Okay, basa tayo from number 1 to number 10. Alam nyo kung saan dyan yung number 1 tsaka hanggang 1 to 10? Can you read numbers?
1,
1 to 10.
1, 2. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, go. So, start.
Maismok,
Mhm.
man-ain,
Wait. It's not man, it's min. Go.
min-aina, anta.
Mm.
Ma, mal, malugatu ka,
Mm.
aina abuk,
Very good.
aina abuk,
Mashallah.
aina ismuk,
Wait. Aina
Ismuk. aina
Aina
usmuk,
ummu.
aina ummuk,
Mm.
alaka,
Mm.
alaka,
Sige.
akon.
Yes.
Alaka akon.
Alaka akon.
Alaka akon.
Oh.
Yun. Alaka akuton. Alaka okton.
Okay.
Okton.
There you go. Ayan na naman. Nakikialam talaga itong Google na ito.
Nawala na.
Apil-apil ka niya siya. Sali-sali manggulo itong Google na ito. Okay, ayan, balik ulit. Alaka ukhtun indaka. Go.
Alaka uktun aindaka. Sayaratu.
Hmm.
Aindaka.
Hmm.
Aindaka darakatu. Darajatu.
Hmm.
Darajatu.
Last number.
Number 10. Aindaka kalamun.
There you go. So, alhamdulillah, Ma'am Anna Rose also are doing a great job. Ma'am Elisa, hindi ko man ikaw narinig nagbasa. Nagbasa ka na po ba, Ma'am Elisa? Ma'am Elisa? Ma'am Elisa? With us, Ma'am Elisa? Okay, I will be saying ha kung sino medyo tumaas yung among of you, sino yung alhamdulillah pinakamabilis or actually maganda yung reading activity today. Ngayon lang. Ma'am Elisa, para masali ka sa ating pagpipilian. Since Ma'am Nadia is on the meeting, I don't think she can do it also. Ma'am Elisa, can you do it with us? Okay, sige, si Ma'am Elisa are not yet done. I mean, not yet ready. So, among you guys, for those students who read it, you can actually read. Alhamdulillah, all of you can read. Most of you can read faster, and most of you can read, but taking a little bit of time. So, if I'm going to choose sino pinakamagaling gumawa or magbasa today, who among you who read very nice today with the proper pronunciation, I'll be choosing 2. Okay, ngayon ko lang din narinig si Ma'am Sania. Most of the time si Ma'am Sania naka-off ng mic, but alhamdulillah, I can say Ma'am Sania and Ma'am Amira did the great job tonight. So until tomorrow, we will be doing like this. I will be asking you to read some words and you will be reading that with me. Okay? So after reading activity, we will be doing a vocabulary test. Okay? So ready? Ihanda ang mga mikropono kasi magtatawag na naman ako. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. As we discuss the dars number 10, what I have just said a week ago is when we say dars al-ashir. Dars al-ashir. Kapag yung numero na binanggit ko, if the number that I have mentioned is added with alif in the middle part, just for example, tis'a. Di ba, tis'a? Remember nyo, yung following, yung rule. If this tis'a added alif on here, magiging tasi. Di ba? Tasi. So, imbis na maging number 9, instead of being number 9, it will become 9th. It will become 9. It means pang-siyam. Now, what is the meaning of the word ashir? Sagot. Ashir means?
10.
Pang-sampo.
Pang-sampung lesson. Very good. So, nasa ika-sampung lesson na tayo. Kumalahati na tayo sa katotohanan ng librong ito. Alhamdulillah. So, very good everyone. Congratulations. Mga ngalahati na tayo ngayong gabi. And that is actually the goal. Kumalahati sa librong ito. Now, the dars number 10 is actually talking about a family. Kung inyong mapapansin, alaka akhun, alaka ukhtun, abuka, ummuka, it is keep on mentioning your mother, your